Hi friends, welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have a really fun pickup challenge for you to try out. All you need is a couple of buckets or bowls, some ping pong balls or tennis balls or maybe recycled pool noodles, and then you need a few different types of sticks. I have tongue depressors, I have paint mixers, and I have dowel rods, and they are all different lengths. That will help with our challenge. So all you need to do is pick up two tools. They could be the same length, they could be different lengths. And your challenge is to try to pick up whatever ball you have in front of you. So right now I have ping pong balls, and you have to try to pick them up and put them into the other container. And your job is to test and experiment which one is easiest to move. Is a ping pong ball easier to move because it has a smoother surface? Are pool noodles easy to move if they have a hole in the center? What works the best? What is easiest and what is more difficult? This is a really fun engineering challenge where you can do experimentation and test everything differently. You could even create your own challenges. You could mix this up, use two different sizes, and go all out. So many different things to test. It's going to be really fun in this pickup challenge. This has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you to our friends at Topeka Collegiate School for your support of Discovery at Home.